You're about to subscribe to a $20 per month note app. Stop. I tested every free option on iPad this month, and the winner might surprise you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which app fits your workflow and why paying might actually be the biggest mistake. iPad notes aren't phone notes on a bigger screen. The pencil, the screen size, the split view multitasking, they change everything about how you capture ideas. You're either writing, sketching, highlighting PDFs, or organizing complex research. Most note apps were built for phones first, desktop second, iPad last. That's why the experience feels wrong. Apple Notes is free, integrated, and honestly, it's gotten better. Folders work. Handwriting recognition is fast. But here's the truth. It caps at folders. No tagging, no database thinking, minimal search. Great for quick capture. Terrible if you need to find something buried 3 months ago. It's the default, not the solution. OneNote is free and designed for organization. Nested sections, subpages, real structure. Sync is solid, but the iPad UI feels clunky compared to desktop. Handwriting isn't as smooth, and without Microsoft 365, features feel locked behind paywalls. It's powerful if you're in Microsoft's ecosystem. If you're not, it's friction. Notion is free and incredible. Databases, templates, automation, integrations. But Notion on iPad feels slow. Offline mode is limited. And most importantly, Notion's learning curve isn't steep, it's vertical. People set it up, get overwhelmed, and never touch it again. You need a specific problem before opening Notion. Obsidian is free and built around connecting notes, your knowledge network. Offline, first, truly private, deeply flexible. But iPad friction is real. Syncing requires setup or paid plans. Mobile app is less polished than desktop. If you're not comfortable with local files and tinkering, you'll bounce off fast. It rewards power users, punishes casual users. Quick notes, Apple wins, complex projects, OneNote. Database thinking, Notion. Knowledge linking, Obsidian. Students capturing lectures should use Apple Notes. Researchers connecting ideas need Obsidian. Project managers need OneNote. Don't pick apps based on YouTube reviews. Pick based on what you actually do. Most people overthink this decision. All 4 support pencil input, but quality varies. Apple Notes is smoothest, 0 lag. OneNote's lag is noticeable. Notion doesn't prioritize handwriting. Obsidian doesn't support it natively. If sketching and note-taking are your main moves, Apple Notes wins this round. If handwriting is everything, you need a dedicated app like GoodNotes. All 4 sync across devices, but experience matters. Apple Notes syncs invisibly and instantly. 1. Note is reliable but slower. Notion requires internet. Offline sync is limited. Obsidian requires configuration. If you switch between iPad and Mac constantly, Apple Notes is frictionless. Test sync with your actual devices. Don't assume it just works. There's no objectively best free note app for iPad because your workflow is unique. Most people get everything they need from Apple Notes. It's free, built-in, genuinely useful. But if you take notes to build something, study, research, JSON, create, test another app for 2 weeks. Your second brain deserves intention, not accident.